So this is just kind of a quick unboxing / review for the 123 piece bit driver set from Mac Tools. I work on some high-end cars. I work on a race team, you know, doing anything from vintage race cars to cup cars and different kind of vehicles. So I like to have a nice set of tools. Sometimes when you're ordering things, it's very difficult to get an idea of what things are when you're looking through a catalog. So I figured somebody else may look for this, and this is what you get. This is a ratcheting toolkit, 120 piece set. Have various different flatheads, Torx, Allen headsets. You have Phillips. You have non-tampering, you know, kind of flathead bits, non-tampering Allens, or anti-tampering Torx. You got, for instance, you got 6mm, and you also have this size 6mm. There's a little ratchet driver also in the kit. Mac Tools ratcheting screwdriver. There's also a T-handle in here. It's non-ratcheting. Bunch of different bits. A wing nut bit. I've never even seen one of these before, but the kid has it. May use it one day. Like most Mac tools, screwdriver's got a really nice ratcheting system. I'm going to adjust this camera really quick. So the screwdriver's got really good ratcheting, forward and reverse, or off. So it functions like a normal screwdriver. Nice rubberized grip. Fits in the hand quite nice. Then you got this little ratchet. Contours. Also, it's got really nice drive gear. I mean, you won't be bolting or unbolting cylinder heads with this thing, but for interior, you know, doing something on interior or something really finesse and delicate, this would be nice to use. So that's pretty much the whole kit. Kind of an all-in-one kit. I mean, of course I have probably every one of these kind of things, and nut drivers and factory screwdrivers and kind of stuff, but this is kind of a neat kit. Price is about 180 bucks or around that, depending on where you're from. I got this from Mac Tool guy in San Jose, Roland, thank you. So that's just kind of quick review of what you get